Guys, I'm about to give you some ball knowledge that only good editors know. So if you're editing in DaVinci Resolve, a lot of the times you're trying to scrub through some of the footage you're editing. If you're working with particularly high file sizes, this one, for example, is about 8 gigabytes, maybe up to 12, I can't remember. But when you scrub through it, you'll notice that it's very choppy. You can't really get like a smooth scrub through. I'm running quite a good setup, so it doesn't look too bad, but we can make this a lot smoother and a lot more efficient for your PC to handle. So if you take a look over at my media pool, you'll see that some of these ones have like a little bit of pink behind the HQ icon. You might not even have this HQ icon, and that's because you're not working with proxies. So as you can see in the bottom left, I'm running DaVinci Resolve 21. I don't have the paid studio version, but what you might not know is Blackmagic actually installs a couple other programs alongside DaVinci Resolve completely free of charge. If you head into your search box and just type in Blackmagic, you should see Blackmagic Proxy Generator Lite. So you're going to want to open that, and you should see something that works exactly like this. Now, I've already done this process for the project that I'm working on right now, but for you, this watch folder section should be completely empty. What we're going to do is we're going to tell the proxy generator to have a look at this one specific folder where all of our footage is. To do that, you just want to click add, and it will open up your file explorer, and you're going to navigate to wherever you keep all of the footage for the project that you're working on. So for me, this would be in this folder. As you can see, I already have a proxy folder. This will be created automatically once you've done the process. So you click select folder, and that folder will now be watched by the proxy generator. Now, for you, this won't say completed as it does for me. You want to just hit start, let it do its thing. It might take a while. For me, this process took about an hour because the files that I was working with were so large. But once it's done, head back into DaVinci Resolve, and then in the top right where it says HQ under this proxy handling icon, click that and click prefer proxies. Now on your timeline, you should see that little pink proxy icon. So what exactly does this do? I don't know, but it makes it buttery smooth, that's for sure. And now I can scrub through the timeline nice and easily, and as you can see, there are no stutters whatsoever. This is going to make it so much easier for your PC to handle the footage, and it's also going to make your life a lot simpler.